Hello and welcome to Starting Over Strong After 50. This video, I just want to show you around the community and so you can see what we have here and how to use this community. So I just launched the community. So as you're seeing it, it may look a little different, but I just want to show you around. So over here on the side would be other communities that you have joined. You can pin those communities, or if you don't want them listed, you don't have to pin them. These are just the ones that I've pinned because I'm in quite a few communities. So for this group, starting over strong after 50, that's how you know that you're in this community. Like I said, if you're a part of more than one community, you can hit these two buttons and then you'll be able to switch between communities. As you can see, I'm in a lot of different communities. All right, so the community tab is where we'll post stuff. If you have questions, you can ask questions here. It's where I will be giving updates and that kind of stuff. Classrooms, this is where you will have different courses. Some of them may be locked until you've reached a certain level or been in here a certain amount of time, because you don't want to come in and have a whole bunch of courses and get overwhelmed. So this is the classroom tab. Like this is where you would have the courses or materials that I want you to learn in the classroom tab. Calendar is when I schedule Zoom calls, then you'll be able to register for the Zoom call. So I'm planning on having a weekly Zoom call. I'm thinking it's gonna be on Tuesdays at maybe 8 p.m. Eastern time. So that way we can hop on and talk about different things that come up in the community, like different trainings or different opportunities, and that kind of thing. Here is your members, and I'm the only one on here now because I just started the group. And yeah, so this tab you can see what all members are in the group. And map, I'm not sure. Oh, map shows you where the members who are in the group. It shows you all the places where, like, let's say you have 100 people, they'll have like 100 dots on the screen showing you where the members in this group are from. Right now it only has this because this represents me. So when you're seeing this right here, that represents you and where you are. I'm in Atlanta, Georgia. So leaderboards. For leaderboards, you go through different point systems and you get points for posting in the community, or or when you get likes and that kind of stuff. Like if you say something and people like it, you get points. Level 2, everybody starts off at level 1. Level 2 is when you get 5 points. So 5 points to level up here. You get to level 2, and once you get to level 2, you can create your own post in a community. Like you can go here and just write something. But if you're not at level 2, then you can't. So you gotta at least get 5 people to like a comment that you made or something like that. So that's that. And about, this is where you're viewing this video from, and it's where you landed when you first, well, you should have landed when you first saw the group, were invited to the group. So about is the section about the community that you're in. So that's it. The community is free. I think it's gonna be free. I don't know if I'm gonna either reopen my old course later and charge, or if this will go from a free to a paid community. But it'll, if you join while it's free, then it's gonna always be free to you. So that's the outlay of the community. I'm very happy you're here. My name is Lisa Seymour Howard. You could call me Lisa. And yeah, this group is for us who have been through some things that's got us in a financial bind, or we just want to make sure that we have what we need to be financially comfortable. And that's what this community is about. It's about us learning together, getting together, and me showing you the things that I've learned in my quest to get extra money, extra income into my life. So, um, hope this is valuable to you, and I will be seeing you in the community and on our Zoom calls Tuesday nights, 8 Eastern. That may change, but for now, that's when our meetings will be. So, thank you for watching.